My husband and I moved into this house in 1985, which was my grandparents' home. They moved into this house, 1056 West Fayette Street, in 1932. They moved to Baltimore from Columbia, South Carolina in 1928. I have their oldest daughter moved to this neighborhood first. She came like a scout and found a place for everybody to come. She lived across the street, second house from the corner, and eventually my grandparents came and they lived right across the street at 1061 West Fayette Street. Then they moved into this house. And a Brooks has been in this house since 1932. And so I asked my husband, William Gunn, better known as Skip, let's get the old house. And my husband said, no way. And I started packing, and we came, and he came. And we spent every penny we could get our hands on to restore the house. I love Poppleton.